Good morning, everybody, and this is your Dow Jones day trade setup for today. So starting off on the weekly chart, and a very interesting chart. You can see how the buyers are scaling in on this. You see buyers coming in there, buyers coming in there, and buyers coming in last week as well. I think the important part here is you had a low, lower low, higher low. So that is a rounding bottom, inverse head and shoulders, doesn't matter which way you want to look at it. Basically, it's a consolidation area on the weekly, and it's been quite a strong consolidation. So we start getting above these previous highs and start staying above them, you have a pretty violent move to the upside expected. So that's kind of the structure that's on offer at the moment. If we come down to the 8 hour, you can see pretty much sideways at the moment. It shows you how important this level at the moment is. That's 35.072, and also coming back to this next zone that I've got in here. There's two levels here, so it's 34.868 and 34.898. So 34.900, let's just round that off. 34.900 is the area to pay attention to. So at the moment, it does look like potentially we're going to just range as we did not so much last week, but the week before, how we ranged most of the week. We just mucked around here. So it does look like we're going to end up with the same kind of structure at the moment. Oscillators have crossed over and pointing to the downside. So I think I'm going to do this on the hour. Let's just look for sort of micro levels on the hour. And I'm going to add in another one right over there. And if you look to the left, you'll see some support being found at that area here. And I'm definitely going to add in that area as well. Okay, so look at the hour. Oscillators are pointing quite sharply to the downside, coming up to an opportunity to buy. Diversions forming. There's a low, currently lower low. Price is low, price is high. So that's the first bit of structure. And we are coming into 34.900 is the area to pay attention to. If we do dip below that, I think 34.820 should hold up price. One other thing you want to be doing is get your Fibonacci in on the weekly move and have a look at that. You can see both these levels, this level, and well, actually all three of these levels are at Fibonacci levels. So 34.900 is definitely something that I'd be paying attention to, and all the way down to 34.821. So stop area at the moment is below 34.800. That would be a stop area for an opportunity to buy into this. Just want to get to the 15-minute just for one final confirmation. You can see it was pretty solid, except going at the close. It got a bit volatile there on the 15-minute, but that, profit taking, people not wanting to hold positions overnight. Futures market at the moment, obviously we are from a close yesterday, we are currently 0.3% down, so there's nothing really to write home about. These are the levels I'd be watching. Simple as that. I'm looking for price action on 34.900. If we get through that, then I'm looking at 34.870, and lastly I'd be looking at 34.821. Just bear in mind that we've currently almost eroded all of Friday's gains. So at the moment on the daily, this is a green bar, and right now it is a red bar, and we're sort of in a red inside bar on the previous day. So just keep that in mind as well. But I think this is what we'll be waiting for. Just see what happens at the open. 34.900 area, 34.860, 34.800. And then ultimately we could even drop to 34.700 as well. So that would give us a massive red bar, which is nothing really to be scared about. But anyway, that's kind of my view at the moment. Not paying too much attention to this crossover. This is after markets, sort of in market close. So volumes are low, Asian session, don't really pay attention to that. Just wait and see what happens during Europe. But this is the structure I see. So 34.900, let's see what happens there. Anyway, that's kind of my view today. I hope it helps, and we'll catch up with you later. Cheers for now.